Swapnil Kothari on the phone line with me. Mr. Kothari, good morning. Thank you for speaking to us on Republic TV. The High Court this morning, of course, has directed Saket Gokhale to remove all those defamatory tweets against Lakshmi Puri. Do you think this will set a larger precedent? Because we've seen how, certain people go ahead on Twitter, publish these defamatory statements, and it's a, sort of a shoot and scoot that we see.
Well, Nupur, this is a quick order by the Delhi High Court restraining anybody, say, for example, like Saket Gokhale, and sending a broad message to the public in general that you tweet. You have the freedom to tweet. It's the freedom of speech and expression. But it's as simple as that you have a right to swing your cane when you're taking a walk, but your right to swing ends where my nose begins. So there's a fine line between freedom of expression and being defamatory. And if the tweets are defamatory, which the court found it to be possibly per se, that's the reason why it has passed some sort of a restraining order and has given a clear indication that you shall delete those tweets, because obviously you have to delete them. You can't just let them remain, otherwise people will read them and continue to comment. And then thereafter, eventually when the case comes out for a full trial, then maybe the court will determine and weigh in balance that whether those tweets were per se defamatory, in the sense that, whether the Puris need to be compensated for that, if that's what they have filed the case for, or alternatively, just an apology from Mr. Gokhale should suffice.
Absolutely. Mr. Kothari, thank you for joining us. Also on the phone line with me is Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Mr. Bhatia, good morning. What we are seeing this morning is that the High Court essentially at this point in time has stood with Lakshmi Puri, saying that Saket Gokhale needs to remove those defamatory tweets. And if he fails to do so, Twitter can step in and do the needful. Do you think that this sends a larger message across to people that you can't put this kind of content and just get away with it? Because at the end of the day, right to reputation is something that is enshrined in our constitution.
Absolutely. I welcome this order of the High Court, and it is something which was much required, because we've seen people making irresponsible remarks on others who have a good reputation in society, and that is what they guard most fiercely. And these people make scurrilous remarks, irresponsible false statements, and then they think they can get away with it. So today's order is a very welcoming order, and I am sure that when this matter is heard for final hearing, there would be much more that would be done by the Honorable High Court. And Mrs. Puri is a very respectable person. No person should try to defame another individual when there is no basis for it.
Right, Mr. Bhatia, thank you very much for speaking to us on Republic TV.